Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your American Express savings account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your American Express savings account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in American Express .com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for American Express savings login on the Google itself, and after that you can see the login page of personalsavings.americanexpress.com has appeared on the first result of Google. Click over there, but from the first tab we are on the home page of American Express itself. Now to log into your American Express savings account from the home page itself, you can see the savings account option available over here on the left side of the screen. Click on savings account, and after that, if you have not yet created an account or registered for savings account on American Express, you can see the create an account option available over here on the bottom left of your screen. Click on open an account and you'll be taken to the procedure where you can create an account on American Express saving. And now to log into your American Express savings account, you can see the savings login. And now to log into your American Express savings account, you can see the savings login available over here on the top right corner of your screen. Click on savings login, and after that, to log into your American Express savings account, you can see the login with savings account option available over here. But if not, you can log into your Amex saving account or your American Express regular account from over here. And let's click on savings account, and after you land on this page, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then after that click on login button to sign into your American Express savings account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, you can see the forgot username or password buttons available over here. Click on either of those depending upon which one you want to retrieve. And if you have not yet registered for American savings account, you can also register from over here by clicking on create online access. And there guys, this is how you log into your American Express savings account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.